Yeah, welcome guys. Welcome. This is still Emmanuel. This is Data Science 101, data preparation and cleansing. So this video we aim to cover the joiner tools in data preparation. That is the flash fill, the and the concatenate functions. These three things, that's what we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at it, the basic and the advanced. We joining them anyhow. You will join me in the video. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. Note we have looked at text to column, the text right, find, left and learn function in the past two videos. So let's look at the joiner tools in this video. Okay, so this is the data set we'll be working on for this video. So the flash fill, very easy to use. Okay, you don't need to run any function. It's just as simple as typing. Okay, let's say Abdul, that's the name of that guy, Abdul Fatah Century. That's the first name and the surname. So the next person, Abdul, this name is very hard for me to spell. Gani, you see, this is it. It's already telling me that do I want to fill it that way? Yes, that's flash fill. Very easy. You don't need to type. Your own is just to type the first one correctly and type the second one correctly, and it will suggest if you want to fill it like that. And you just tell it yes, and it proceed that way. That's example for you. You can do it for even 7 lines, 10 lines. Now I only did for this and this line. That is 2 lines, or sorry, two fields. You can do it for even 10 fields. In as much you are very confident in typing each of them, or very satisfied in typing each of the field one by one in one field, you can proceed. But what if you are not that confident? You can use this other way, the and function. The and, how does this one work? You can just simply say equals to, I need this one, and that is this, and you see, and I need space, Abby, so that we have space. And which one again? And you see, just and this one. Let's see what happens. Easy. Easy, right? You see how it easily joins all of them. And name and space and surname. You see, it fits it, and very good. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh la la. Clean and nice. So you can easily use this. This one was more faster than this one. For this one, if the names are very long, it's very hard to type. For this one, if the names are not long, you can easily do it. But this one, the flash fill have some limitations. What if you want to join external text that are not in any cell? It becomes very difficult to do. Now, for example, let me use this and to show you what I mean. Now, I want to say Abdul Fatai Century is a student of BizAdmin. Okay, now let's see how we do it. No, I'll say, okay, so let's see how we do it. So we say equals to this particular field, okay, and where's my and space. You see how I'm doing it, space, and this is a student of what, and space. You see what I'm doing, and space, and this admin. Let's see what happens. I know it will happen this way. Okay, let me review my formula. Okay, full name, which is this, and space. Okay, this, okay, sorry, this is a text, as is a text, so we need a quotation for it. So definitely, let me remove this one. Let me remove this one so that I'll put all of them in one quotation. You see, okay. So let's see, full name and space. Space. This and is no more useful here. Full name and space is a student of, like this. Okay, this will do it. This should do it. You see, very nice. It's very easy. The Fatai Century is a student of. You see, very nice, very good. So this place I need to change it to month and year instead. So and equals to Jan and, okay, and column space close this one. What's wrong with you? Column, okay, it has not yet finished its work. H5, H6. Okay. Okay. And H6. You see, generation 15. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I hope you are enjoying what we are doing. So now the next one, concatenate. This one is more easier than even the and function. This is how simple it is. Let's see, okay, what am I joining together? Let's assume I'm joining the names as usual. You can just pick equals to, let me take this thing down. Concatenate. Okay, double click this. First text is Abdul comma. Since I still need my space, comma. This one, use comma to separate them, and then close. And you see, very good and nice. Now, to do the student ID, it's easy to still do all this, but let me do the student ID just like the one we use for the right and left video. So I'll be joining this concatenate with left to right, yeah, left. So let's do it. So I can say equals to concatenate, okay, bracket text. My text should be from left, that is the left text bracket, so that it will help me extract those values I need. Text, these balls are known. Okay, comma, number characters. I need 3 number characters, which is this, comma. What do I need again? I don't need anything. Let me close this left so that left will go. Now we are back to concatenate. So you concatenate left department, comma. What are we joining again? We are joining this value. Remember the find. This is what we look for. And then what are we joining? We are joining this value, this one. But instead of joining it immediately, what I'll first of all do, I will add 2 zeros. So this thing will help me add it. That's 0 0 0. Okay, let's say 2 zeros, cover, then comma, this particular stuff, so that it becomes 0 0 1. Note this, I put it in a code so that Excel will see it as a text, instead of a number. Because if I make it just 0 0 without that quotation, Excel will see it as a number and make our formula not function the right way. Okay, let me close this and see how it works. You see, very good and clean. It's not hard to do. The main thing is just understand each of the formulas or functions so that you can easily join 2 or more to give you a very quality result or output. Okay, now the concatenate plus is a student plus with the matric number. Okay, I'll say equals to Abdul Fatai Century. Okay, let me use concatenate first. Okay, concatenate, that is join, that is what it means, join this one, comma, this text space is a student of, cover this text. Let me increase the, okay, of, note I'm putting space so that it will not join together and not look of this admin. Okay, comma again, don't, okay, quotation space with the matrix number. Okay, okay, let me space quotation comma matrix number. Where is the matrix number? Is it? Okay, let me call the student ID number. In Nigeria we call it matric. Student ID number is, okay. Let's cover the concatenate function and see. So I'll decide that essentially it's a student of this admin with the student ID number. You see, very clean and nice. All these functions can easily are very powerful. They are very powerful in Excel. Now you have seen how to use the joiner tools or the joiner function in Excel. The flash fill, the and the concatenate is your choice to know which one you will use. Normally the and the concatenate are very powerful. The flash fill is just if everything is uniform you can use it, but I will not advise you to use the flash fill at all times. It's good when you are joining full name together, you see, that is when it becomes very bad, but others can easily be tweaked to make it very good. So thank you for joining me for today's video. I remain your host Emmanuel, and I hope you gain value. So look this side and try yours. So thank you and keep watching.